We have come with a product with a great list of unique scents, color variants, and natural extracts, which include aloe vera, rose, lemon, coconut, and to speak to the range of customers who have a wide range of tastes and preferences. As a company, we pride ourselves in inspiring all-day confidence, and there goes the word all-day confidence, which is a lifestyle we give to our customers, and therefore we launch this product as one of the many ways where we deliver value and offer significant contribution to this economy. We run the journey as staff, we run the journey as the media, we run the journey as everybody who is seated out here because of the vision that has been set out. And the vision is to be the preferred choice of beauty, comfort, and care to every household. To every household, here we rock with the right product.
Uganda, we have 17 distributors across all the regions of the country. These distributors help us get these products in every corner of this country. So Movit Family Soap can actually be found in any outlet, retail store, or what we call the dukas, of duka wokuchalo, in any supermarket, big and small, in the wholesale shops. And again, because of the times that we live in, we've also made this product available on e-commerce. So you can still order for Movit Family Soap on the different e-commerce platforms, and it can be delivered to your home or office.
Actually, don't date. It means king size freshness for all. Movit Family Soap is giving you a fresh start for your family.